about 2 tablespoons of stingy oil into the pan. 2. Oh, a little more. Little more.
One more.
Don't be stingy. Okay, that's good.
It's only a little bit.
Alright, and then you need to get shallot or red onion into the pan. Around more than 10 pieces.
About 10 pieces.
1, 2, 3.
A little more. No more.
I think that was 11.
I knew I'd do it wrong.
Vietnamese 10.
Oh, Vietnamese 10, sorry. I was using a British 10.
Alright, so keep stirring until the shallot change to brown color. Smell good. Then you can add all the seafood in. If you don't need seafood, you can do with meat. If you don't need meat, then do with seafood. And if you are vegetarian, you can do with tofu or stove mushroom. Yeah, stove mushroom, you know that?
Yeah.
Alright, if you can't see from there, then you can watch our TV.
You can see his pan there.
They all start
It's
moving.
getting a bit thin on the top there.
Oh, solar panels.
Smell good?
Smells lovely.
Okay, seafood in.
All of it?
And shake in the pan. Only
Wow,
your pan, not your body.
They're attached to each other.
What, your hands in your bottom?
Alright, ginger. You like ginger? Ginger is very good for you.
About 10.
Vietnamese 10.
Ginger good for you. And especially good for men. But not for him anymore.
Everything still works.
Eventually.
No, game over. Alright, stirring for around 2 minutes. Remember with the seafood, don't cook too long. If you cook too long, they become very tough. You know? It's only 2 minutes. Very well.
Just put in?
Guacamole.
Seafood. Oh, ginger. Oh, ginger. Did you put something else in? Chris, did she put something else in just now? Was it turmeric and pepper?
Oh, sorry, turmeric and black pepper. You know turmeric?
Yeah.
Somewhere they call curcuma. Curcuma or saffron.
I tell you, this is Boston, I tell you.
Alright, take you and stop it. Well,
Isn't it? Do I get paid for this?
No, the boss is stingy.
Including the oil?
yeah, just oil. Okay, so cooling down, and then we'll add all the vegetable in, okay? See, look good, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, white
That's the
onion.
next course.
You like white onion? You slice it very thin, just a little bit. And mango, this is the green mango. Green one and yellow one is the same. And green one is younger one. We pick it earlier for salad. A little bit, little more. And a little bit of mango. Good hot. Okay. And the same for papaya, also green one, it's younger one, okay? And then
How much?
cucumber. You also slice it very thin.
Got a few dangly bits there.
Okay, that's enough.
No change there.
Chili. This one only good looking. It's not really hot.
I've heard that one before. Yes.
And then lotus root. Do you know lotus root? You can buy the lotus root in the tin from supermarket. Okay.
Lotus fruit.
You are very
Oh, lotus
lucky.
fruit. Lotus fruit.
Carrot.
Carrot. it.
Alright, mix it. Yeah. Alright, in here, a pinch of salt. Vietnamese pinch. Sugar, double mean 2 pinch. Okay? And then you need to get lime or lemon juice. Lime or lemon juice.
I'll tell you what's too good for you lot, this one.
And then topping we have peanut. You like peanut?
Yeah.
Remember you have to roast it, okay?
That's one.
And do the same for sesame seed, okay? And mint. Put the mint on why put in lot. Don't put the mint earlier. If you put the mint earlier, when you do mixing, mint will change to black color and change flavor. And serve it in bamboo bowl.
Can't be bad.
Liz, you noticing all the things you've got to do?
Prepare it all. Yeah, that's right. Weigh it all out. Yeah.
This is where they probably do one they prepared earlier properly.
Oh my god,
There.
you're very messy.
It's a man thing.
These shrimps still alive.
Let's see.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, go for it.
That's it. Yeah, there we go.
Alright, just go in. The juice or peanut or the lemon. Alright, look at this everyone. You must do a big clapping for him.
Hey, well done.
Alright, now show it.
Oh, right, yeah.
Do you know how bad you are? How good you are.
Somebody's like, oh. It's Jamie Oliver's shape.
Only a bit. It's not all of it.
Very good.
Brilliant. I didn't know I was that good.
Okay, go back to your chair.